Hello and welcome to my channel. We bring you good news today. So the Guinness World Records has finally confirmed Nigerian Hilda Baci as the official holder of the longest cooking marathon for an individual with a time of 93 hours and 11 minutes. The whole of Africa went on a frenzy when he attempted to break this record on the 11th of May. And after that, we have been patiently waiting for Guinness World Records to confirm her as the holder of the record. So finally, it's here. The 26-year-old Nigerian cooked over 100 pots of food during her 4 days kitchen stints. And within these 100 years, she cooked enough to feed a lot of people. She made sure that none of the food went waste. And she also went by the rules and regulations of the Guinness World Record. The previous owner, who is an Indian, Lata Tondon, she cooked for 87 hours, 45 minutes. We are super excited for this Nigerian degree holder. She holds a degree in sociology and decided to go into cooking with influence by her mother. We are super excited for Hilda and we wish her all the best.